Let me take you back a few years. I was sitting at my kitchen table late at night, staring at my laptop, wondering how on earth people were making money online. I'd tried a few side hustles. Some worked for a week, others flopped completely, and I just wanted something real, something I could build into a career. That's when I stumbled across affiliate marketing. And everything changed. The discovery: here's what I learned. Affiliate marketing isn't about selling your own product. It's about recommending tools, services, or products you believe in, sharing a special link, and earning a commission when someone buys through it. Think of it as getting paid for helping people find what they need. The first step: I started with a niche I loved: freelance services and content creating. Then I built a little blog and posted honest reviews. At first it was slow. I'd check my stats every morning and see 0. But instead of quitting, I doubled down, improved my content, learned SEO, and shared posts on social media. The breakthrough: one morning I logged in and saw my first commission, $14. It wasn't much, but it was proof this worked. That tiny payment showed me something powerful. If one post could make $14, more posts could make $100, $1,000, even a full-time income. Lessons and benefits: what I love about affiliate marketing is the freedom it gives. No inventory or shipping headaches. Work from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Content you create today can earn for months, even years. But here's the truth: it's not magic. You need patience, trustworthiness, and a plan. The roadmap: if you're ready to start, here's your path. Pick a niche you're excited about. Choose where to show up: blog, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, email list. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon, ShareSale, ClickBank, or brand partnerships. Create content that helps people: tutorials, reviews, best of lists. Bring people to your content with SEO and social media. Study what works and repeat. Scaling to freedom: as my audience grew, so did my income. I reinvested in better tools, explored new platforms, and built an email list. That list became gold, a way to share value directly with people who trusted me. Before long, affiliate marketing wasn't just a side hustle. It was my career, giving me the flexibility to choose projects I love and work on my own terms. Now it's your turn. Imagine a year from today, waking up, opening your laptop, and seeing commissions roll in from content you created months ago. Comment below and tell me, what niche would you love to start with? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Next week, I'll show you how to pick high-paying affiliate programs and grow faster. Affiliate marketing changed my life, and it can do the same for you if you start today.